Hello dear friends, this is Wael Bashuri, math and physics teacher. In this video I'm going to solve a question from Mathematics 0580 version 47 May June 2014. So let's directly start solving the question. Here in this diagram, as you can see, everything is very clear. Calculate the angle of elevation of T from B. Calculate the angle of elevation of T from B means you have to find this angle here. In order to find this angle here, we should find TC. So let's use the triangle TCA to find the length of TC. So here we can see tan 53 is equal to opposite, which is TC, divided by adjacent, which is 11.6. Remember, tan theta equal opposite over adjacent. And then we cross multiply this equation. So if you cross multiply it, you get TC is equal to 11.6 times tan 53, and this will be 15.2, correct to one decimal place. So after finding this length, 15.2, now we can find angle B directly also from tan again. So now we can see tan angle B is equal to 15.2, that's opposite, over 24.5, that is the adjacent. Now if you do shift tan, you get B is equal to tan inverse this amount, 15.2 divided by 24.5, and then you get final answer 32.1. That is angle B. Now let us see next question, question B. Calculate the angle ACB and show that it rounds to 104, correct to the nearest degree. Angle ACB means this angle here. Clearly, we have to use cosine rule. So remember cosine rule, c squared equal a squared plus b squared minus 2ac minus 2ab cosine c. So here you have c, small letter c means the side, and here you have b, here you have a. So if we apply this rule, we can say 29.5 squared equal 11.6 squared plus 24.5 squared minus 11.6 times 24.5 times cosine c. Now then we have to make cosine c the subject of the formula. So let's take these two numbers to the left hand side of the equation and see what we get. 29.5 squared minus 11.6 squared minus 24.5 squared is equal to negative 11.6 times 24.5 times cosine c. Next step, we divide both sides by the coefficient of cosine c, which is, here you have also minus 2. I forgot to put here minus 2. So you have 2. Okay, so here you have 2. Right. So now you divide by minus 2 times 11.6 times 24.5 minus 2 times 11.6 times 24.5. Now cancel these, and then cosine c will be this amount. In order to find c now, you can say c is equal to cosine inverse of this amount, and then you get exactly as required 104. Now let's see next question. Next question here, calculate the area of triangle ABC. So let's go back to the diagram again. Area of triangle ABC. Now area of triangle is equal to half AB sine C. That's the formula for area of triangle. So if you want to find the area of this triangle, you can say area is equal to half times 11.6 times 24.5 times sine the angle that we found in the previous question, 104. And then typing this on the calculator, you can find the area. So the area is 138. Let's see now next question. D is on CB, so that angle CDA is 60. Calculate AD. So D is on CB. Here is D. It is on CB, such that this angle here is 60. So this is D, angle ADC. So angle CDA is 60. Let's see it. CDA is 60. Calculate AD. Calculate is AD. So let's calculate now AD and see what we have to do. From triangle ACD, so triangle ACD, we can use this triangle to find the length of AD. So we can say here, for example, this angle here is 104. This angle is 104, and then you can use the sine rule. So you can say here dA divided by sine 104 is equal to 11.6 divided by sine 60. And now you can cross multiply and solve for dA. So if you cross multiply this, you get dA multiplied by sine 60 is equal to 11.6 multiplied by sine 104. Then divide both sides here and here by sine 60. Sine 60, cancel these amounts. dA is equal to, from the calculator, 13. Like this, we solve this question. Thank you very much indeed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.